we discuss a relationship between edge length and radius of an atom. So last lecture we discussed 14 types of crystal lattice. Means simple. First, according to atom arrangement, can be divided a crystal into 4 types, and according to cell parameter, a crystal lattice can be divided into 7 types of unit cell. So 7 for the total type 20. But experimentally proved, scientist Bravis means experimentally proof only 14 types of arrangement are possible. So this is called as Bravis lattice. And these 14 types of crystal system we discussed in last lecture. So in this lecture we discuss a relationship between edge length and radius of an atom. So first we discuss a radius of atom. So in last year means 11th year standard in periodic table we discuss means radius of an atom. Radius of atom means distance between nucleus to outermost shell of an electron. Distance between nucleus to outermost shell of an electron in any structure of atom. So in this topic solid state we find out a relationship between edge length and radius of an atom. So this is considered as two sphere. So between two sphere there have two nucleus means center of point. So this is first R1 and this is second R2. This is first circle of radius R1 and this is second circle radius R2. And distance between two adjacent sphere. So it is called as diameter. So distance between two adjacent sphere means distance between the first center of first sphere and center of another sphere. So R1 plus R2 which is called as D means D for diameter. D for diameter. So diameter between two nucleus which is called as diameter. So diameter which is indicated as small d. Diameter which is indicated as small d. So diameter means 2 times R. Diameter which is equal to 2 times R. So how to find out a radius for this two sphere? So R which is equal to D upon 2. So R which is equal to D upon 2. So this is first radius of atom. How to calculate radius? Means diameter upon 2. Diameter upon 2. So various types of atom arranged in different unit cell means we consider as first a simple cube means simple crystal lattice. So in this cube two spheres are arranged like this manner. This is one corner and this is another corner. So this is first sphere and this is second sphere. This is first sphere and this is second sphere. So this is first R1 and this is second R1, R2. So distance between means R1 and R2 we calculated as 2R. Means one part of the cube only one side consider. So only one side consider two types of atom or two types of sphere. So this sphere means how to calculate diameter? Diameter which is equal to 2R and R is equal to R means radius which is equal to D upon 2. Means edge length of unit cell for cubic unit cell we discussed in last lecture. Edge length of cubic unit cell. Simple cubic unit cell. So condition for first cubic unit cell. 3 edges are equal means A which is equal to B which is equal to C. A which is equal to B which is equal to C. And angle between. This is our first edge means edge length A. This is second edge length B and this is third edge length C. So opposite of edge length A which is called as angle alpha. Opposite of edge length B which is called as angle B, beta, and opposite of edge length C, which is called as angle gamma. So for cubic unit cell condition, A which is equal to B which is equal to C, and for axial angle alpha which is equal to beta which is equal to gamma, and all angles are equal to 90 degree. This is for cubic unit cell condition. So we find out in this lecture relationship between edge length and radius of atom. So there are cubic, according to atom arrangement there are 4 types. So first is simple or primitive unit cell, second is body center unit cell, and third is face center unit cell, and last is end center unit cell. So we first find out a simple unit cell, body center unit cell, and last is face center unit cell. So between these two types, means 3 types of unit cell, we find out a relationship between edge length and radius of atom. So first type is simple unit cell. So we consider as first a crystal lattice means cube. So in this crystal, upper side edge length we consider as A, and upper side of cube of edge length A two spheres are joined to each other by strong intermolecular force of attraction. So these two spheres, this is first sphere radius R1 and this is second sphere radius R2. So how to find out a radius and diameter? So first we consider as this R1 and R2. So this is 2R. So this is 2R, means R1 and R2. So this is first R, this is first R, and this is second R. So 1R plus 1R we get 2R, and this 2R which is equal to edge length A, So how to find out a relationship between edge length and radius of atom? So A means R which is equal to this multiplying 2, means 2 into R. This equation is 2 into R. So multiplying this 2. Change the side. So multiplying, so change the side on right hand side. So multiplying we get dividing by 2. So R which is equal to A upon 2. So this is relation for simple cubic unit cell. 2R which is equal to A, 2R which is equal to A, and A which is equal to 2R. This is two relation for edge length and for radius of atom for simple cubic unit cell. This is edge length A or radius of atom for simple cubic unit cell. So next we discuss a second type of unit cell, face center unit cell. So in this face center unit cell, first draw a diagram of cube or crystal system or unit cell. Unit cell means smallest repeating structure of unit. So in this crystal or in this cube, we consider a upper portion, means we consider first upper portion of this cube. So face center unit cell, this is 4 corner of upper side corner of downward side. So total is 8 corner. But we consider only upper side of cube. So in this upper side of cube, this is one square and face center. So face center of cube total is 6 faces. So cube have 6 faces. So in this cube we consider only upper side of cube. So this is upper side of cube, but this is an upper side, 2 metals in corner and one sphere. 2 metal atom means 2 sphere are arranged in corner of different direction. But face center, so one face of upper side, one sphere are arranged in middle portion of this cube, means middle portion of upper side of cube. So these sphere are arranged like this manner. So first circle, this is our first arc. This is first sphere of radius r1, means first arc. This is our second arc, middle sphere. This is our second arc. This is our third arc, means radius, and this is our third sphere, radius r. So total radius which is equal to 4r. Total radius 1r plus 1r plus 1r plus 1r. Total is 4 times radius, means 4r. And how to distance cover? So this is our fourth radius. And this is our first edge length A, and this is our second edge length. Means how to distance cover of 3 different sphere? So we cover first edge length A and then we distance cover of second edge length A. Means 2 times r. Means according to Pythagoras theorem, we draw a structure like this, means of this triangle. So this triangle can be arranged on this manner. So this is Pythagoras theorem. So this Pythagoras theorem, this is our 3 different sphere. So this is first A. This is our first A and this is second A. And total radius, this is R. This is second R, this is third R, and this is our fourth R. So total is 4R. And according to Pythagoras theorem, we written equation like this: a square plus a square, which is equal to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, which is equal to base square plus height square. So hypotenuse is 4r. So hypotenuse is 4r. So equation, this is height square plus base square, which is equal to hypotenuse square. So this is a square plus a square, which is equal to 4r square. So this is a square plus a square, we get 2a square, means 1a square plus 1a square, we get 2a square, which is equal to 4r square. 4r square means 4 square, which is equal to 16, and r square means r square same. So how to find out edge length and radius of atom for face center unit cell? So a square, which is equal to 16 upon 2 r square. A square, which is equal to 16 upon 2 r square. So this squaring of a square and r square remove and add on upon 2. So equation like this, A which is equal to root 16 upon root 2, root 16 upon root 2 which is equal to r square. Sorry, squaring remove. So A which is equal to root 16 upon root 2 which is equal to into r. So next equation, root 16 means 4. So 4 upon root 2 into r. 4 upon root 2 into r. 4 upon root 2 into r. So this is for face center cube A which is equal to 4 upon root 2 into r. So this is our first relation. This is our first relation. Next, for face center cubic set, and next for radius atom. So radius root 2 into A, root 2 into A upon 4. So this is radius of atom for face center unit cell. Radius of an atom root 2 upon 4 into A. So in this face center unit cell, we consider only upper side portion. So this upper side portion, in the first upper portion, one atom inside this upper face. So this is one sphere, this is two sphere, and this is three. So this diagram we draw like this according to Pythagoras theorem. So total 4 are. So according to Pythagoras theorem, this is height square plus base square which is equal to hypotenuse square. So how to distance cover? Means 2 times A. Means this is height and this is base. So A square plus A square which is equal to 4A square. Next 2A square which is equal to 16A square. So next this side on left hand side 2A square on multiplying. So next we change the direction on right hand side. So this multiplying get converted into division. So A square which is equal to 16 upon 2 into R square. So A is equal to, by removing square on both sides, so A which is equal to root 16 upon root 2 into R. So edge length which is equal to 4 upon root 2 into R, and for radius of atom for face center cubic unit cell root 2 upon 4 into A for face center cubic unit cell. A body center unit cell. So relationship between edge length and radius of atom for body center unit cell. So first we consider a cube. Means unit cell or crystal lattice structure. So in this cube we consider an example of hall. So this is first corner of this hall and this is last corner of this hall. Means this is our first corner of this hall and this is our last corner of this hall. And in body center, one atom is placed inside this cube. So this is first pair, this is a second pair, and this is a third sphere. So three spheres are arranged like this on this manner. So this is first our R, means distance between center to outermost shape. So this is our first R. This is our second R. This is our third R, and this is our fourth R. So total R is 4R. Total R is 4R. And how to cover distance between these 4R? So this is first A. Next this is our second A. Next this is our third A. So between these three spheres are arranged a strong molecular interforce, means strong intermolecular force of attraction. So how to distance cover? Means how many times edge length cover. So this is our first edge length, this is our second edge length, and this is our third edge length. So this type is also called as body diagonal type. Means one atom is placed inside this cube. So this is called as body diagonal of cube. So this is also called as body diagonal of cube. So how to find out the edge length and radius of atom for body center units? is hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse is 4r square. And how to distance cover? So this is our first a square, this is our second a square, this is our third a square. So 4r square total bracket whole square, which is equal to 1a square plus 1a square plus 1a square. We get 3 times a square. We get 3 times a square. So 4 square, which is equal to 16 square, means this is our whole bracket square. So 4 square, which is equal to 16 square, and r square is r square. Next 3 as it is, means this square only for a, means edge length. So 3 into a square. So next equation, r square, which is equal to 3 upon 16 into a square, means in left hand side 16 multiply into r. So we change this, means side, means right hand side. So this multiply converted into division. So r square, removing this square on both sides of r and a. So r, which is equal to root 3 into 16 into a. So r, which is equal to root 3, same as it is, because root 3 square. We not know about a square of root 3. So next root 16 means 4 into a. So we get a first relationship between edge length and radius for body center unit cell. And next, how to find out a value of a? So value of a, which is equal to 4 into radius, 4 into radius upon 3, 4 into radius upon 3. So this is our second equation for body center unit cell. So in this lecture, we find out a relationship between edge length and radius of atom for 3 types of unit cell. For first type of unit cell, simple or primitive unit cell. Second, face center unit cell, and third is body center unit cell. So for simple cubic unit cell, we get a equation, means 2r into a, and next r, which is equal to a upon 2, and next face center unit cell, final equation a, which is equal to 4 upon root 2 into r, and next equation r, which is equal to root 2 upon 4 into a, and next body center unit cell r, which is equal to root 3 upon 4 into a, and a, which is equal to 4r upon root 3 for body center unit cell. So next we see the summary of this lecture. In this lecture we see a crystal structure, means types of unit cell. Crystal structure means type of unit cell. Next, in last lecture we see a rank of unit cell, means total number of particles are participating in this unit cell. Rank of unit cell. Rank of unit cell. And last is we find out a relationship between edge length a and radius r. Edge length a and radius r. So first we see a simple or primitive unit cell. Simple, so it is also called as primitive unit cell. So for simple primitive unit cell, number of particles only one atom for this unit cell. Means 8 into 1 upon 8, so we get only one atom involved in this simple unit cell or participating in this unit cell. And the relationship between a and r. So we see r, which is equal to a upon 2. So we get equation of edge length a, which is equal to 2 into r. So this is our 2 equations, means r, which is equal to a upon 2 and a into 2r for simple or primitive unit cell. Next, for second type. Second type is body center unit cell. This type we see in last, body center unit cell. So it is also called as body diagonal type. So rank of unit cell for body center unit cell is 2. Body center unit cell is 2. And next we see a face center unit cell. So total number of atom is 4. 4 atoms are particle in this unit cell. So next we see the relationship between A and R. So for body center unit cell we discuss R is equal to root 3 upon 4 into A. R which is equal to root 3 upon 4 into A. This is our first relation. And next equation, A which is equal to 4 into R upon root 3. A which is equal to 4 upon root 3 into R. This is for body center unit cell. And for face center unit cell we get R which is equal to root 2 upon 4 into A. And next A which is equal to 4R upon 4 into R upon root 2. मीन्स बॉडी सेंटर के लिए कितने और हमने कंसीडर किए थे, हॉल कंसीडर किया था. दिस इज फर्स्ट कॉर्नर एंड दिस इज लास्ट कॉर्नर एंड मिडल बॉडी डायगोनल. सो दिस इज मीन्स सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस. This is our first corner, this is our middle and this is our last corner. So how to discuss 3 times A? So simply we logically trick means we remember this relationship between A and R. How to distance? 3 times distance cover means 3 times A. So we get R which is equal to root 3 into A upon 4. And for face center unit cell only consider upper portion. So 2 times A means how many distance cover? 2 times A means 2 times edge length. So we get R which is equal to root 2 into A upon 4. So simply and logically this trick used for means how many times distance cover? For body center 3 times A R cover and for face center root means 2 times A cover. So we get root 2 means R which is equal to root 2 into A upon 4 and A which is equal to 4R upon root 2. So this is our relationship between edge length and radius of atom for simple. Next body center and last is face center unit cell. I hope you understand all this concept means relationship between edge length and radius. If you have any query, so ask me in group. Thank you student.